YouTube. This is Raghav here, and this is my very first video on YouTube. I wanted to give it a start for my YouTube journey since long back, and yet I was damn lazy to do so. So today I told myself, yes, Raghav, let's do this. Forget everything and let's give it a go. So here's my first video on how to install Python on a Windows operating system. I just chose Windows because it was readily available in my laptop. So let's go. We first visit python.org to download the installer. They have so many releases of Python, but the latest one is 3.7.3. We just click this and get the installer. And I already have one. Let me show you in the downloads. Yep, this is my installer. So I'll just run it as an administrator. You don't need it either ways, but still. I choose a custom installation. I just tick this and choose a customized installation so that I can change my location and no changes in these. Pip is a package installer for Python, which is highly useful for almost all the packages which you need to download. You can download directly too, but Pip is the easiest way to do so. I install it for all my users. I might have 2-3 users in my other accounts, but not for Windows. But if you have many users, then you can use this. I mean, just tick this up, and that's it. Rest should be fine. This is a 64-bit installer, so it just takes this up, and I'll just rename it to Python 37. I don't need 32 stuff, so that's it. That's it. My setup was successful, and Python is installed. Now let's just close this and check my CMD. I have 3.7.3 installed. That's it. Now Python is installed. You need to see two things. One is go to C drive, check if your pip is installed properly. How do you do that? Just go to your C drive wherever you installed it, which for me it is program files x86, and I put it as Python 37 if I'm not wrong. Yes, it is. And you have scripts. In this you have the pip installers. That pip is installed successfully. Next is your idle. You will need idle as an app, and yes, it is there. I've added as a shortcut before while the installer is there itself. It's just a tick you would have noticed. This is my idle, which is a Python editor. I can open any file, any Python file, or create a new Python file and just run my stuff. So if I say print of hello YouTube, and then I'll just save it somewhere, just save as desktop and .py, and I'll just run it. Sorry, this is a Python shell. I'll tell you what the shell and what this script format is. Just run it right now. Yes, this is it. So what a shell is simply to type direct commands, Python lines here, and you will get the output. This is just kind of like testing whether your line is perfect or not. Yes, it is. If I have any import, say, I'll tell you what CV2 is in a future video, but this is like CV2 is like an OpenCV package, which I don't have it right now, so it's saying. So that's it, and this is it with the Python installation for Windows. Let's go forward with Linux, Mint, Linux, Ubuntu, etc. in the next videos. Thank you for watching, and let's enjoy learning.